Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Chandrulekha and today I'll be sharing with you an easy way to make traditional diya holder using cardboard and foam sheet. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have taken two cardboard pieces of radius 7.5 cm and 5.5 cm. I will be covering the smaller cardboard piece with petals made out of foam papers. So I have sketched some petals, cut them and heated them as shown so that it becomes carved and looks more like flower petals. I have also made an entire video on how to make cherry blossom flowers with foam papers. I'll link it down in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. Now it's time to cover the cardboard piece with maroon acrylic color and stick the flower petals one by one over it with patience. I have used Fevikwik to attach the petals. You can also use any other strong glue or hot glue to do so. Now it's time to decorate the other cardboard piece. I have colored it maroon as well, sketched my desired design and applied Fevicryl 3D outliner in the shade golden over it to give some dimension. I have then painted it with golden acrylic paint and further designed some parts with maroon 3D outliner. Then I have attached some mirror pieces as shown so that when I place the diya on the base, these mirrors give a sparkly look on the holder. Link to how to make this flower is given at the end of this video and in the description box below. To make the flower more stand out, I've given a golden shade over it with acrylic color and attached a round mirror piece on it. Now it's time to assemble the two cardboard pieces. Follow as shown and use hot glue to stick the two pieces together. I am applying golden acrylic color as shown to make the flower look more appealing and beautiful. And our traditional diya holder is ready. I hope this video was of some help to you. If you ever recreate any of my works, then feel free to share with me on my Instagram @myselfacharyya. I would love to see your works. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.